Alright, as you can see here, I managed to smash my glass. Just to show you the LCD. Oop, I got Johnny Cash going here. As you can see, the LCD still works. I can control things, select things. So it's just the surface glass or the touch panel that's bad. I went to pdaparts.com and ordered a replacement screen that supposedly it's a touchscreen, and I also ordered the stickers or the adhesive and the tool to replace or to pry everything apart. And I'm gonna watch the video and take the phone apart according to the video there. Now I know there's some missing steps that they warn you about. They warn you multiple times, both on the website as well as right here when I bought the part. The sticker came warning me not to that this isn't an easy repair. So we're two average guys. We work in IT in a school district. And we figure if we can't do this, the average person's not going to be able to do this. All right, the first thing we're going to do is remove the SIM card, and I still have the little tool that you use to pull the SIM card out. So we'll start with that. I think this has got to be off.
The phone? Yeah. Is it off?
I don't know. I think you try pushing both buttons in, the top and the bottom. I think hold them both in. Yeah, hold that one in and the other one.
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get the...
And get an option to power it off now.
Okay.
And I'm running out of battery here, so I'm going to have to change. Alright, at this point we've finally got the phone off, changed the batteries in the camera, and now we are going to take that SIM card out. Alright, so that wasn't too hard. Next step is to remove those two screws on the bottom. Oh, those are little, don't lose them.
Those are the two screws.
Alright. Okay, now we're going to try to pry the case open, as they showed on the PDA website. So we've got the case opener tool, and here we go. We're going to start by that screw that we started with, and see how complicated this is. Seems to be a little tougher than pulling the screw out.
I feel like I'm going to snap this thing off. I'll try to keep this video under 2.5 hours. What are they primed between the chrome piece and the screw?
I think so. We can watch the video again. Here, I'll pause this and we'll watch the video again. Alright, we took a break, ate some food, got some Diet Pepsi. We're going to get back at this now.
So they say to put the this tool that they give you in between the glass and the chrome piece. And so you just wedge it in there, and somehow it comes up.
You said by the screw. Are you doing it right dead center?
I'm doing it dead center, but wow. Of course, these things are never really as easy as they say it is. I can't get this in here.
We're going to need a replacement
tool. Yeah, I'm afraid I'm going to snap this. Wow, this is...
Oop, I saw it coming.
Yeah, but it's bending the plastic end when I do it.
We picked up some more tools. We're going to try a flat screwdriver.
Boy, this is not easy. When they say it's not easy, it's really not that easy.
And this supposedly isn't one of the hard parts.
As you can see, I almost get it, and then it... Oh, look at that. Magic Kingdom.
Alright, remember there's going to be a couple of things.
Okay, what they're talking about here is there's 3...
Oh, they even numbered them for us.
Here, 1, 2...
I don't know if I can zoom in there good enough to...
That's all right. And there's...
They are numbered, though.
There it goes. And 3 looks like it's... Is it me, or does that look like it's slid in?
It looks slid in.
Alright, I don't know if you can see this, but 1's here, 2 pops up here, and then 3, it looks like it's just...
There was some tab, they said white tab, that you have to turn up on a 45.
Maybe it's this one. Like that. That's what they meant. So you see 1 here, attaches there, 2 pops up here, and 3, there's a white tab right here that you need to pry up just at a 45, and then 3 slides out this way. So that's how that's apart. Yeah.
Alright. Alright, we're replacing the just the touchscreen, so we need to remove the LCD from it. We're not going to take apart the rest of the iPhone, so this piece we're just going to set aside. So the next step is to take out 3 screws on the one side, and I guess a couple of them are on.
Yep.
Are under some tape.
You flip it here. There's a screw here. There's a screw under tape here, and a screw under tape here. So I don't know if we want to use a razor blade to get the tape up. Kind of like so. You guys can see. There's a screw there, and yeah. Where's this tape start? Come on. Okay. So we're just using a regular razor blade here, and this tape should just come up. Kind of like that. So I just took the corner of it and peeled it up, and then took my fingernails and peeled the tape back. So now there's 3 exposed screws, which we can get to. So if I can get this in here. These are tiny screws, so don't sneeze.
Oh, those are different than the others.
Yeah, they're small. What we're doing here is marking, which we on a white towel, we just write what goes where so we don't lose anything. And then apparently I stuck the tape back down. There we go.
Oh!
Yep, throw the phone away if you lose a screw. So alright, looks like these three screws are the exact same, so you don't have to worry about what goes where.
Alright. So
Okay.
now we need to remove the 2 screws on the other side of
Yep.
the phone.
So there's the 3 we just did, and I just flip it over, and there's 2 screws right here that don't have tape over it. So there's those 2. And obviously they're very small again, and they look identical to the other 3 we took out on the other side. So there's those 2 there.
Alright. All right, and I guess there's one more screw on the inside.
Yep. So there's our 3, there's our 2, and just move right up, and there's one right here in the corner. So just take that out. That looks like this exact same as the other ones. We just want to make sure we mark these because we don't know if they're different lengths and or different thread types. So we assume they're all the same, but that's just for safety precaution. So there's that one there.
All right.